Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Zippertron here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Minecraft server for Java Edition 1.16.2. This is a Windows tutorial, so if you're on Mac or Linux, it's going to be a little bit different. I have made a tutorial like this in the past, but I did something a little bit wonky, so this is an updated tutorial that will work for past versions, current versions, and hopefully future versions. This is a tutorial for people to join on your local network. So if you have somebody in your home, like friends over, family members, they will be able to connect. If there's somebody else in the world that you want to play with and host a server, that will be the next tutorial on how to port forward your IP address so that anybody can join. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the first link in the description, which sends you to minecraft.net. It'll send you to the server download page. And like I said, 1.16.2 is the latest version, so this is going to be the only version that it shows on the website. If 1.16.2 is not the current version, go to mcversions.net and you can download it here under stable releases. Anyways, we're going to click right here where it says Minecraft underscore server 1.6.2, and then we're going to save it right to the desktop. It doesn't matter where you save it, all you need to do is save it. See here we have server.jar. We're going to make a nice little folder for it. I'm going to call it Minecraft server. Does not matter what you call it. And we're going to drag it right on in. Let's open up our Minecraft server, and you see we have our little server.jar there. Next, we're going to want to open up Notepad, and we're going to make the file to run the server.jar. We're going to copy this line of code that it has in purple on the Minecraft website. We're going to minimize that, and then paste it right into Notepad. So, as you see, it's named server.jar, and we want to replace this with server.jar. That's the name of the file. Oops, did not want to save it yet. You probably don't see the file extension. That's okay. What I did was view, and then I checked the box where it says file, show, hide, and then file name extensions. That's not required. You probably see it like this. As long as you have this in front of .jar, it is okay. So I'm actually going to show my file name extensions. And next, we're going to dedicate a certain amount of memory to your Minecraft server. So this is your RAM, your good stuff. What we're going to go to is system. If system doesn't show up here, we're going to go to control panel, and then we're going to type in system, and then it'll be right here. So as you see here, I have 16 gigabytes of memory. You have to think about your Minecraft client, you have to think about your operating system, you have to think about your Minecraft server. So how much is that probably going to take up? If you don't know, that's okay. And you don't want the amount of memory that you dedicate to your Minecraft server to exceed or equal the amount you have on your computer. So 16 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes will probably be okay. But you see, oh, this is in megabytes, not gigabytes. So it's 1024 megabytes per gigabyte. So you can do a little bit of mental math, or you can just open up the calculator app, and we're going to do 1024 times 4, and that's 4096 for 4 gigabytes. So we're going to dedicate 4096 megabytes, 4096 megabytes. There we go, and we're going to save it. So we're going to save it in the directory of the Minecraft server where your jar is, and we're going to change it from not just a text document but to all files. And we're going to name it to start.bat. It does not matter what the file is called like usual, but you are going to want to make sure the file extension at the end is .bat. So we're going to save it, and we see it right here in our Minecraft server. So we're going to run the start.bat, and it's going to make a few files. There we go. And we will see the eula.txt. So you're going to want to read the eula, which is on Minecraft's website. You can copy and paste this into your browser. It's basically just the agreement being like, hey, you're not going to break our rules and stuff. That's what we're basically agreeing to right now. So we're going to change false to true and save it, and then run the server again. So next, we're going to open up the Minecraft launcher. And right now, 1.6.2 is the latest release. If it is not the latest release for you, you're going to go to installations, go to new, and then make a new profile, which would be, it doesn't matter what you want to do, 1.16.2 is here. That works well. And then you're going to find 1.6.2 in this list. So I can click release 1.6.2, create, and then I can either press play here or go here and then select from there. Well, it's just the latest release, so I'm going to press play. Let's go back to the Minecraft server, and as you see, our console says that it's done. It took 15.5 seconds to start up. We're actually going to stop the server. I don't know why caps lock is on. It needs to be all lowercase stop. And we're going to edit the server.properties file. So what we're going to need to do is change the server IP. If we look all the way down here, server IP is currently blank. We want to set that to the local IP address that you're going to enter in here, and then enter for all of the Minecraft users. That'll be the server address that people connect with. Like I said, it's only on your local network. This will not work with other people in the world. Only people that are in your physical location connect to the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet as you. So we're going to type in command prompt and open up the command prompt. Make sure to run it as an administrator. That is an important part of it. If it is not ran as an administrator, it's not going to work. Let me actually hide Minecraft. I didn't realize that was on the screen. And we're going to type in ipconfig. So you'll see some stuff blurred out on the screen. All you need to pay attention to is Ethernet adapter Ethernet, or if you have Wi-Fi, it's something like that. If you might have other stuff, but usually you'll just have one section here, and we're going to look at the IPv4 address. So we're going to go here 192.168.1.9. We're going to copy that, paste it into server IP, and then no spaces in between the equal sign and the IP address. We can close that out now. Close that out, and we can start the server up again with the start.bat. And we're going to go to multiplayer in our Minecraft game. We can do add server or direct connect. It does not matter as long as you put in the IP address for server address, which is the IPv4 address we saw in the command prompt. But now we're going to try to join the server. It's going to take a little bit, and now we should be in. There we go. And if we actually look at the console, you can say, Zippytron connected. Very, very cool. So you might be wondering, oh, I want to do game mode creative. I can't do game mode creative, or I can't do /give. Well, the reason you can't do that is because you're not an operator on the server. If you want to become an operator so you can do all those amazing cheats, just type in OP, then your username. My username is Zippytron, and then you'll see made Zippytron as a server operator, and I can do not server, what am I doing? /game mode creative. There we go. I could also do other stuff like /give, Zippytron, totem of undying, you know, all of that good stuff. But that's it for the tutorial, guys. That's how you do it. Like I said, with the IPv4 address that you copied, that's how people are going to connect to your server. And the next video will probably be on how to port forward so other people around the world can connect to the server on your computer. So guys, if you did like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to ring that bell after you subscribe to get notified whenever I do upload a video. I'm hoping to bring some more tutorials to you guys. And also, don't forget to go to twitch.tv/Zippytron. I currently stream Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays at 3 p.m. EDT. That was a mouthful. But guys, I hope to see y'all in the next video. Peace.